Hey traders, welcome back to the TrendFactual channel. I'm Frank. And seriously, there's one question I get asked almost every single day, especially from new folks jumping into trading. Frank, how long does it really take to start making money to become a profitable day trader? Well, my answer is, it all depends on how long does it take for you to wake up from the get rich quick dream. I've talked to so many traders, and almost everyone has wasted a ton of time when they first started. They'd be chasing after all the fancy stuff like 99% win rate magic indicators, all those guaranteed win signal groups, or some crazy trading bot promising to make you rich overnight. Look, the internet is just packed with fluffy garbage misinformation. That's just how it is. The sooner you get it into your head, trading isn't some get-rich-quick trick, but a long-term thing, the faster you'll get yourself closer to actually making some cash. It's like ditching a super heavy backpack. Suddenly, the path ahead looks so much clearer. My own story. For me, the big aha moment, the wake-up call, happened about 2 years into my trading journey. That's when I first bumped into price action trading. It felt like a total game changer. When I finally started seeing those theories, those patterns and setups actually work on the real charts, it was like, okay, this is it. This is my holy grail. But even after that, it wasn't like an instant money switch. Oh no, what came next was a long, tough road of trying things out and making mistakes. It was about really working on a trading plan, testing it, and tearing it apart and starting over. Lots of back testing and forward testing new stuff over and over again, until finally I had my own solid strategy. And just as important, I got my head right. I was mentally ready for the serious challenge that forex trading needs. Believe it or not, it took me almost 5 years to get there. So if you're new to this and you're dreaming about the financial freedom everyone talks about, you gotta be straight with yourself right now. Forget those wild get-rich fantasies and start doing some real work, like right now. Your realistic roadmap to making money. Based on my own experience, here's a realistic game plan I totally recommend for you. Step 1. Learn the ropes. This is when you build your basic knowledge. You need to understand how markets actually work. Dive into things like technical analysis and really focus on price action. That's how buyers, sellers, and the market makers move things. You also learn about managing your money. And super important, trading psychology. How your mind works when you are trading. This phase is all about studying, reading, and watching good, legit stuff. Step 2. Get hands-on. This isn't just about reading books anymore. It's about actually doing it. There are 3 things you need to do. Practice with fake money. This is a must-do. It's like your safe playground to build your trading plan. Test ideas and just get comfy with a trading platform without risking any real cash. How long should you do this? Until you can follow your trade consistently and on paper. Actually make money. Trade with tiny bits of real money. Once you feel good on demo, switch to real money but with tiny amounts. This is where you really learn to handle emotions when real money is on the line. It's a total different feeling from demo. Just watch the market. Never underestimate just sitting in front of your charts, watching how prices move. It builds that gut feeling that helps you spot patterns no textbook can fully teach you. Step 3. Master your mind. Honestly, this is often the longest and the hardest part of the whole journey. It's all about controlling yourself. Can you handle those wild feelings of fear and greed? Can you stick to your trading plan even when you are losing a bunch of trades without getting mad and trying to win it all back in one crazy trade? This is where real, consistent profits actually happen. You need to read some psychology trading books too. Mark Douglas, Tom Hugard are two good authors I recommend. Step 4. Protect your cash. Plain and simple, you can't make money if you run out of money. Protecting your cash is priority number 1. This means figuring out how much to trade, always using stop losses to limit your losses, and never ever risking more than you're totally okay with losing. This isn't just a rule, it's literally what keeps you in the game. Step 5. Have a lifeboat. Do you have enough money set aside so you are not stressing out every time you trade? Can you learn and grow without needing trading income to pay your bills right away? A lot of successful traders actually have a regular job and enough saving to support themselves while they learn. This takes off a huge amount of pressure and lets you focus on learning, not just making a quick buck. So, how long does it take? It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's a super personal journey of figuring yourself out, starting hard, practicing like crazy, and really getting your head in the game. But if you commit to this real deal, that financial freedom you're dreaming about can absolutely come true. What's been your biggest aha moment in trading so far? Drop it in the comment below.